this edition of Easy Friday. My name is President Ndimuli, and what a day it has been. 9 hours plus, 7 judges of the Court of Appeal, and finally, looking at the Twitter feed this evening, the word reggae pops up quite a few times.
Absolutely.
And of course, people know what exactly they're talking about. Has reggae stopped or not? And that will be the main feature this evening on Easy Friday. We'll be discussing that and interpreting what the Court of Appeal verdict means going forward.
My name is Shiksha Arora. You can get in touch with us at KBC Channel 1 at Shiksha Arora at President Ndimuli. The hashtag is Easy Friday. We'll be talking to some experts and, of course, discussing matters BBI. But for now, it's time for the top story of the day.
Oh, yes. And our sign language interpreter this evening is Susan Thuku. Let's kick off the bulletin. The Building Bridges initiative is now dead. In an 11-hour judgment, the 7-judge bench of the appellate court centered its ruling that the Kenya Constitution was anchored in a foundation with building blocks, which can only be amended through a constituent power and not the route the BBI was taking.
Now, the court, in a judgment delivered by its President Daniel Musinga, held that President Uhuru Kenyatta had no place under the Constitution to initiate a popular initiative and that IEBC was not properly constituted to undertake any meaningful decision touching on a referendum.
Now, those dissatisfied, however, can still seek solace at the Supreme Court.
Let's take a look.
Having determined all the issues that we considered germane in this consolidated appeals, the final orders of the court are as follows. A. We uphold the judgment of the High Court to the extent that we affirm the following. 1. The basic structure doctrine is applicable in Kenya. Sichale J.A. dissenting. 2. The basic structure doctrine limits the amendment power set in Articles 255 to 257 of the Constitution. Sichale J.A. dissenting. For you? Yes. Okay. Sorry, I take this back. 2. The basic structure doctrine limits the amendment power set out in Articles 255 to 257 of the Constitution. Okwengu J.A.